Hi, my name is Marla and I represent Osborne Books and More. Today I want to talk about how to learn Spanish, a fun new way of increasing language vocabulary for speakers of any language. And today I want to talk about English or Spanish as a second language and how to use the learning wrap-ups to help you learn Spanish. Okay, this introductory kit contains 4 learning wrap-ups and 1 audio CD. It also includes a little booklet to help you in your journey. Now, I'm a homeschool mom and I teach my son by memory work. So these are really great as a memory aid to help your kids or yourself memorizing difficult words and phrases. This kit has about 480 Spanish words and 360 Spanish phrases. So you could easily learn by popping in this CD. You can easily learn how to make statements and ask questions. So learning wrap-ups has been developed for the purpose of non-English or non-Spanish speaking students to master words and sentences that would ordinarily be used in school. So the step 1 is you learn words, and it teaches over 120 words which can give names to body parts, things at school, clothing, animals, family, things found at the playground, etc. Set 2, you learn the basics. It deals with counting, months, days, money, time, or opposites, directional stuff. So that you could recognize the basic sentences that come from the different reasons. Step 3, making statements, deals with stating needs, appreciation sentences, starting with I will, sometimes I, there is, and I can. It also covers categories of words dealing with feelings, clothes, reading matters, etc. around the house. Set 4 is asking questions. Did you, may I, who, where, why, will you, do you, need, is there, how much. Each board set uses 12 words from different categories to develop versatility for the student. So hold your bundle like this, and you're going to, let's do this one. Okay, hold your bundle like this. This is the numbers. And you're going to start at 1. And you're going to go to 1. Start at 2 and go to 2. Start at 3 and go to 3. Start at 4 and go to 4. Start at 5 and go to 5. Where is 5? Start at 6 and go to 6. And then it self-corrects in the back. So if you got them all right, you can tell in the back if you got them right. And that's how you use them. And until you could read the words aloud as you wrap up the keys. And it'll provide for auditory learning. And that wraps up my learning wrap-ups session. If you're interested, please visit myubam.com at k4699.myubam.com and order your Learning Wrap-Ups Spanish Introductory Kit. Thank you very much.